Hey guys, we already had our morning. It was kind of a, why is this so zoomed in? A little chaotic morning, so I didn't even vlog at all, but I just remembered to pick up my camera. So I just put Cam down for his nap. Chris went to go get his hair cut. Today's Chris's birthday. He went to go get his hair cut and then go pick up Cam's birthday cake before they close. So I just put Cam down for a nap, and now I'm gonna clean up downstairs. I'm gonna put on some YouTube videos to watch. I love watching YouTube videos while I'm cleaning and stuff like that. And then when Chris comes back, I have to get my nails done because my nails are horrendous. Look at that, ew, they're horrendous. And then finish this up, this backdrop. So whew. Little things to do. So I'm gonna do, so we're gonna do a little mini clean with me now, okay? All right, let's start.
African queen, she my remedy. I tell her come on ride with my melody. I'm a king, you're a queen, we are royalties. Skin so smooth with the melanin. African queen, she my remedy. I tell her come on ride with my melody. I'm a king, you're a queen, we are royalties. Give it up for the African, she my African queen, she my African queen, yeah. Give it up for the African, she my African queen, she my African queen, yeah. Give it up for the
birthday boy. Birthday boy. Happy birthday.
Cam. Happy birthday, Kimmy.
It's alright, okay? I think it's gonna bite you.
This is the aftermath.
I got you, okay?
Look at this.
It's gonna bite you.
You got balloons everywhere. Balloons everywhere. Let me get his breakfast together. I want to make him egg. Make him egg. Let me see if I can warm up these pancakes. Yeah, let me warm this pancake up. Warm it in the oven. Good morning, Cam, say good morning. So today is October 31st. Happy Halloween. I am getting ready because Chris is at soccer right now this morning. It's like 9:30 in the morning, almost 10. And he's at soccer, so when he comes back, we're gonna get ready and go to a pumpkin patch. And then there's something else we're supposed to do. Oh yeah, I have to go vote. So pumpkin patch, go vote, and then we're gonna take some pictures there at the pumpkin patch and stuff. So I'm going to do my makeup and my hair and get ready for the day. One dilemma I have is I don't have a good hair dryer. I have like my regular like brush hair dryer. You guys see me use that in my natural hair videos, but I don't have like a regular basic dryer because the one I have is broken. It's not good. So I'm trying to see if I should order one at Target or Meijer and then have Chris pick it up on his way, which I probably will do because I have some wigs that I wanted to wear today. I'm not sure which one I want to wear, but they're wet because I washed them last night. So I need a dryer so I can have the hair dry. So anyways, I want to do my makeup. I'm doing it down here because Cam is playing down here, and he just has more room to run around than upstairs in our room while I'm doing stuff. So yes. calm down. Good afternoon, everybody. It has been ridiculous as usual. Today is September, I don't even know, is it the 30th? No, the 29th. Today's the 29th. We just got back from visiting my parents for Thanksgiving. It was a very low-key and nothing really happened Thanksgiving. So that's why I didn't even vlog, because like literally nothing happened. Nothing happened. Obviously with the pandemic. Okay, you can take that down now. With the pandemic, my mom wanted us to just kind of chill out. So Nky and her crew stayed back so that we wouldn't have too many people, like just within, you know, so many people within a space. And we decided to still go because I work, well, maybe if you don't know, but I work with mommy and I both work at the same pharmacy. So hi Zach. Hi. You having fun? Yeah. Where's everybody else?
They can't play.
Why?
Because Harrison's going to the store and Anaya's still sleeping.
She's still sleeping?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Well, have fun.
Even though it's 1 in the afternoon.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's, you know, it's almost 2 o'clock. Yeah. And she's still sleeping. All right. Well, have fun.
You too.
Bye. Thank you. Yeah, our neighborhood kids are so cute. They're so cute. They're so nice. They're so like, yeah, our neighborhood is just awesome. Like everyone is so like just community, you know what I mean? Some of the neighborhood kids love to come over and play with Cam, and it's so cute because Cam is only 1, but they always like look out to like, oh, is Cam awake from his nap? Can he come out and play, you know? So yeah, so that was one of the neighbor kids. So yeah, so cute. Yeah, so I was talking about Thanksgiving. Yeah, Nky didn't come, her crew. So we keep it small. I said nothing really happened at Thanksgiving. Mommy and I work together at the same place, and I'm back and forth between their house like almost every week. So we said that since we always are with each other, and we have our own, we've created our own little pod, our own little bubble. We said that like we can do Thanksgiving together. So that's what we did. Yeah, I'm so excited to talk to you guys because so much has happened. It's been crazy. Last time, I think last 2 vlogs ago, I was telling you guys, or maybe 3 vlogs ago, that where we were working in Kentucky, we wanted to continue working there because we got temporary pharmacist license to work there. So after they expired the licenses for for like the temporary license for pharmacists around the US, we wanted to continue working there, so we took the board exam so we can get fully licensed, permanent license there. So after we got that, then we went back to working there, and we have a whole new schedule with that, you know, working there now. So a completely different schedule, so I had to just rearrange everything, and I'm still working my other pharmacy job. So still working 2 jobs, guys. I don't know why. Where am I going first? What am I doing? Oh, I'm going to get my nails done. Like I literally forgot why I left the house. Okay, so yeah, still working 2 jobs. So the 2 job thing, I'll see how it goes till, I'm just like gonna like, let me get till January and reevaluate and see if I need to keep both jobs or leave. It's just that, just kind of technicalities, I guess I would say. So yeah, because I don't know, anyways, boring stuff. So still working 2 places. Thanksgiving, Christmas, what else? Thanksgiving, Christmas, I have no idea what we're doing for Christmas at all. So I probably won't know until later. And then what else is going on? Since I last talked to you guys, since I last vlogged, I guess just doing me. Nothing really else. Just doing me. Business stuff. Business going great. Adding new people to the team. I told you guys before that I hired an assistant, and I just hired another one, and her first day will be tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. Hope it all goes well. Sometimes, you know, like you get nervous with those types of things where it's like, you know, just having a new person on your team, you know, like you're nervous, they're nervous, you know, they just want to do good and you want them to do well and stuff, and you know, want them to, like, you know, be happy to work and stuff. So yeah, so I'm like nervous, but I'm excited. So yeah, so she starts tomorrow, so I'm just trying to think of like orientation for the first day for her, just going over like tasks, expectations, all that stuff. And yeah, so I'm excited for her to start, and that will help me with all the things that I'm doing. Where is the nail place? Oh, there it is. Help with all the things that I'm doing, so that I can, you know, be the best that I can be in all the things, all the other things that, you know, I'm supposed to be doing. You know, when you have your little empire, your little business going on, you know, at first you'll be doing everything by yourself, and then as you grow, you'll learn that certain things you can delegate to your assistant or employees, you know, so that you can focus on, you know, the main things that you should be doing, so that everything will go well. So it's just learning when that time is, and you know how to go about it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So first stop is getting my nails done. My nails are horrendous. Oh, it's so dark. My nails are horrendous. Look how, like, so bad these are. Look at this. This is broken. This is broken. This broke the day, like the day after, and I already left for work in Kentucky, so, and I never had time to do it. So it's been like over a month that my finger has been like broken like this. So nails are all grown out. So yeah, I'm trying to think like what color I want to do. If I want to do solid, I kind of did a little design for this one just to see how it was, but I think I don't know if I want to do solid or another design. I don't know, and like a funky color, or like I always do like neutrals and stuff, so I might just do neutral again, solid color, but I don't know like how much they can do designs. Anyways, let's go in. So the agenda for today is nails. I need to go buy a mouse. I need to go grocery shopping, and then maybe buy like an outfit or two for work for this week. I work night shift, so we can wear like comfy clothes. So I like to just wear like matching set, like a crew neck or a hoodie, and then like sweatpants, just to be comfy. So I might stop at TJ Maxx to get a mouse, and then see if I can get something. So I think that's all for today. So yeah, anyways, let's go. Good morning, and today is December 30th, so New Year's is coming up. Don't mind my messy kitchen in the back. Yeah, I fell off, but I've come to learn that I always fall off during holiday season, because no matter what's going on in my life, like stage in my life, that time is always busy, and I'm just trying to keep up. So yeah, let's just like learn now that when it's gonna be like November, December, Ify will fall off YouTube. That's just what happens. So anyways, today is today's Wednesday. Chris is on his way back from Nigeria. He just texted me that he just boarded his flight. So they should be taking off soon. So he'll be landing here in the US tomorrow morning in DC. And then he'll catch a flight from DC to Ohio. So we can't wait to see him. He's been gone for like almost 3 weeks now. So it's been a long time. I'm about to take Cam to school. It's like a little bit after 8 o'clock. So I'm about to take him to school now. Cam always messes these blinds up. So yeah, I'm taking him to school, and then I've been working from home because Chris has been away. So usually like when I work from home, and if you guys don't remember, if you don't know, I'm a pharmacist, and I actually am a pharmacist in Ohio and Kentucky. I work for Rite Aid here in Ohio, and then I work for a veterinary pharmacy in Kentucky. So I've been commuting back and forth twice a month for 7 days at a time in Kentucky since April of last year, when the pandemic hit and they needed a lot of pharmacists to come all over the US. So I found a place in Kentucky that needed help. Anyways, I explained that before in my other vlogs, but if you're new, that's what's going on. So anyways, since Chris has been gone, I've been working that job in Kentucky from home. So glad that they were able to accommodate me during this time. Yeah, and the job that we're doing, we do have places of fulfillment in that facility, but there's also pharmacists that work at the computer, and I'm the ones that work on the computer, so I can do my job from home, thankfully. So yeah, so I'm working from home, which I thought would be easier, but I work nights, so it's kind of hard. It's like when you're by yourself, because usually I'm away for a week working, and mommy and I work at the same place in Kentucky, so we stay at a hotel. So it's like when you get off work in the morning, then we can sleep all day. But now that I'm here working from home and Chris isn't here, I don't have someone that will be able to take over while I'm sleeping. So it's been like a week in the morning and a week in the day, making the day and a week in the night, and if you can find time to take a nap during the day. So yeah, it's been a little bit harder, but nonetheless, glad I can still do that. So Cam just woke up. I came downstairs to get my vlog camera. So Cam just woke up, so I'm gonna go get him now. Let me see if he went back to sleep before I went in there. Oh, my battery's dying, of course. No, he's up. He's just sitting up in his bed. Look. He's just sitting up. Right. I'll just vlog until my camera dies. It's flashing that it's dying, so it's okay, Cam. Cammy. Good morning, my baby. Is there bright lights, huh? Open your eyes. It smells like poop. You pooped, huh? I knew it. It smells like poop's in here. Good morning, my baby. Did you poop this morning? Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, my baby. You okay? My Cammy baby. You pooped this morning, huh? shoes on. All right, get your milkies. I'm back. I dropped Kim off, went to the grocery store. Now I'm gonna start cooking so I can have food ready for Chris when he comes back. So I'm gonna make some chicken drumsticks. I usually like to get like wing sauce to marinate my chicken. So I got this Caribbean jerk wing sauce, and then I got this mango habanero wing sauce. So what I do is I get my drumsticks and then I perforate the drumsticks using a knife, make holes in it, and then I soak the drumsticks in the sauce. So I do 2 different flavors, and then I let it soak or marinate for like maybe 2 to 3 days, and then we bake it in the oven or put it in the air fryer. But it's so good. And then I get these like oven bags, like these turkey oven bags, and that's where I put the chicken in. So first I need to rinse the chicken before I start cooking.
See me in my vision and my body grab it. You see me moving savage sometimes, and read my phone, I just gotta have it. Things get tough sometimes, but and read my phone, I just gotta have it. And read my phone, I just gotta have it. I just gotta have it. I seen it all, there is nothing new. I've been through all, there is nothing new. There's no success without pain. So when I fall, I get up again.
That's marinating. So the next thing I wanted to make, I saw Aaliyah from Aaliyah's Face. She made these little smoky sausages, and then she got some croissant dough and rolled them up and made like little dogs in a blanket. So after I saw that, I was like, ooh, I want to make that. So I got some of the sausage and the croissants, and I got this sweet Hawaiian croissants. These are so good. I've had these before. So I got this sweet Hawaiian croissants, and then these were the only little sausages that they had, but they're all beef, and I think there was 25 in here. So I'm gonna make little dogs in a blanket, little dogs in a blanket. I'm trying to sound like I'm from Jersey. Okay, dogs in a blanket, parchment paper. I thought I had parchment paper. I guess I just have to use foil. All right, I have foil. Gotta get my baking pan. I need to get new like baking trays, because mine are just atrocious.
I plant my seed and I let it go. The child you see shall surely go. There's time to think and there's time to talk before you walk, but I learn to go. Give it up for the African, she my African queen, she my African queen. Yeah. Give it up for the African, she my.
Hey guys, happy new year. I know it's been a very long time. Let me see the last time I posted a video. It's been too long. But today I'm gonna do like a, actually I don't even know. This video might be a vlog. This might be like a separate chit chat get ready with me, but we'll see. Okay, so the last time I posted a video was 3 months ago. Eeks, it's a long time. but it's been crazy busy. You guys already know, anytime it gets close to like the holidays, I literally just start falling off because it just gets so busy. But I'm back. Happy New Year. Today is January 22nd, Friday. So as I said, I'm gonna do a chit chat get ready with me. But yeah, I'm gonna do a chit chat get ready with me. This is one of the newest robes on the site with the matching bonnet. So if you haven't seen it on the site, it's there now in coma.com. So I want to show you, let me do like a mini haul. I went to Sephora yesterday and got some new stuff, and so I ordered this on Amazon maybe a week or two ago. So I wanted to try this. I heard Aaliyah J talk about this all the time, and she said she loves it. So I said, let me try it. I got the honey beige. Very inexpensive. They sell these at Walmart, so easy to get. So at Sephora, yesterday I got my favorite makeup setting spray, the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a long-lasting makeup setting spray, ultra matte, 16-hour. And then I wanted to try a tinted moisturizer, and I got this NARS Pure Radiant tinted moisturizer, and I got it in the color Polynesia. Haven't used a tinted moisturizer in a very long time, but I got this, so hopefully it works well. Yeah, so I got this. I got the new Fenty soft matte powder foundation. I love powder foundation. I've always loved powder foundation, so when I heard that she got this, I was like, that's right up my alley. And I'm usually a 420 in her foundation shade, so I wasn't sure if I would be a 420 like in this, but from what I saw at the store, I think this 420 was the closest match. So yeah, I think it's really good. So I can't wait to try this, but the packaging is impeccable. Oh my god, love this. And then I got the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in a pot. I've never had a pot concealer, but the lady at Sephora, I was asking her what concealer should I try, because I've had a lot, and she said to try this, so I'm trying it today. And then I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So the packaging is there. So yes. Yeah, so I asked you guys a couple times on Instagram, like, you know, like what video should I do since I've been gone so long, and everyone said do like a life update kind of video. So yeah, I think that was appropriate, life update. I'm gonna do like a quick life update. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll come back because I can't do my makeup while I'm talking. I tried it many times and it just doesn't work out. I always mess up, I always forget something, and then I become upset because like my face looks stupid and disgusting because I messed up my makeup. So life update. So Cam started school. I don't think last time I talked, I don't think he started school yet. So Cam started school, so that's where he is right now. He goes to school Monday through Friday, full time. Let's see, I'm still working in Kentucky, so I still work in Kentucky, commute with that. I love that job, and yeah, I think the last time I updated, I took the exam so I could continue working there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So it's crazy how in December I had 4 pharmacy jobs. I know, crazy. I think I was just like on like a crazy grinding kick for some reason. I don't know, I feel like 2020 put me in like a mindset of like take advantage of this time and just like grind it out. And like we're not traveling, you know, saving up for like buying a house, all that stuff like that. So I was literally like grinding it out. So in December I had 4 jobs. So I knew I was like, okay, this is not realistic. Like you can't work 4 jobs and then 4 pharmacy jobs and then still do your business and then you know blogging stuff and all that stuff like that. So let's be realistic. So I kind of had like a wake up moment, like come on, like you're crazy. So yeah, so I had like my Kentucky job. I work at Rite Aid. I had this other MTM job that was work from home, and then I got an offer from CVS to administer the COVID-19 vaccines. So I had all that in December. So I was kind of like, okay, I have to just drop 3 and just do 1, because I have plans for this year, and like I have a vision on like how I want things to go for myself and things for me to do. So to be realistic, I can't work all those jobs in the pharmacy and then have time to do everything else like very well and successfully. So yeah, so I'll have to drop 3 of them, and I should be done dropping all of them by like next week or so. And then I'll just continue the Kentucky job. I love that job because it's like a great setting, low stress. Even though I have to commute, I just still love the job, and it's a different setting than retail. It's veterinary pharmacy, so like I work with like animal meds and stuff. The schedule is really good. It's 7 on, 7 off. So I just love it. So for now, that's what I'll be working with. And then 2 weeks ago, I worked at Rite Aid for my shift when I was off from Kentucky job. So yeah, so work is kind of crazy, piling it on, grinding it out. So yeah, so I really want to save up to buy a house, maybe like end of this year, and then like we be able to have it ready and move in by like next year. So we'll see. That's just like my kind of like skeleton outlook on that part. And then yeah, Cam's doing well. I will do like a toddler update. He's like 15 months now, so I'm gonna do a separate video doing like a toddler update, and like, you know, just talking about like his milestones and how he's doing and stuff like that. And then I will do like a schedule, like putting a baby on a schedule and sleep training, because I was supposed to do that a long time ago, and I filmed it actually a long time ago, and I never edited and uploaded it. And now I'm just like, let me just do it over again because I want it to just look better. So I will do that as well. So look out for those videos coming up probably after this video. Let's see. Yeah, so COVID still has Chris working from home, so he's still working from home. That's the only way that we're able to like juggle like my work and business and all this stuff like that, because he's at home with his job, so he doesn't have to go to work outside of outside the house. So it makes it easier to get things done. And then that's that. And I still work with mommy, so mommy and I still work at the same job in Kentucky, so we see each other, you know, all the time. We went to go visit Nky and her family in Pittsburgh for Christmas, so we saw them at Christmas time. So it was nice because we haven't seen them in a while since then. I think before that it was October we saw her last, so that was fun. Everyone's doing well, family's doing well. Chris went to Nigeria in December. His father passed away in October, so he went to Nigeria in December for like the funeral and everything like that. Unfortunately, we all couldn't go because of the virus, so Chris went by himself, but he had a safe journey there, safe time there, and a safe journey back. So we missed Christmas with we missed Christmas with Chris. So for Christmas, Cam and I went to my parents' place. I don't think I vlogged, but if I did, it should be in a vlog in this one or coming up later. So yeah, it was just we spent Christmas at my parents. So it was just me, Cam, Junior, and my parents. Chris and I have already created like a pod circle with like my parents, so we've been keeping it like that. So Nky and her family just stayed back for Christmas time, and then my mom and I and Cam went to go visit her, so just to keep the numbers down of like the gathering and stuff like that. So that's that. I'm so excited for this year. Oh my gosh, so excited for this year. So I actually did a post on Instagram, kind of like my coming out as like it's about to be on like another level, 2021. Like if you aren't riding this train with me, like don't call me. So my post was putting a peace sign down. Oh no, put a peace sign down below if you're riding with me in 2021. Shit's about to pop off and I'm only here for the real ones, my day ones, my true supporters. The rest of you, if you see my face somewhere, don't bother calling me. To 2020, we out. So yeah, that was like my like deuces to 2020, my hello to 2021, and like the announcing of this like shit's about to pop off this year. Like you guys are gonna see me on like a whole different level if everything just stays according to plan. But yeah, just kind of just like being more of like my best self, being more organized, juggling things better so that I can be able to perform in other things and get things done, you know, while still maintaining organization and, you know, our systems. I've mentioned to you guys already before, in 2021 I hired 2 assistants, one that does more of like helping me run just everything, like like another me, you know, running errands, packaging orders, just helping me just do a lot of things. And I have another assistant that does a lot of like my social media and like customer service and, you know, anything that's just online. So having them on my team last year was like clarity, and it's just like there's no way that I would have done 2020 by myself, like no way. So I'm so grateful for them. They're the best, hardworking, and like I'm just so grateful. So yeah, so I'm so happy. So it's just crazy how as soon as I brought them on board onto, you know, the team, I had like, you know, a kind of like a timeline and a systems of like how to getting things in order so that by the time the new year starts, it will be like clear. And it's just like crazy how exactly what I was trying to do is happening. Clarity, organization, clearing things out so that I'm able to like, you know, push through and get other things done. So it's been good. What else? I did do some Q&A and like you know, fun question things on Instagram. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed that, the ones that do follow me on Instagram. Leave down below if you have any suggestions on like what type of videos you want to see from me this year, or kind of just like what you want me to like film. I'm kind of structuring my videos in a different way than I've done before. Yeah, so just I'm just trying to figure out how to do that, but there's a way that I want to structure my videos differently so that I don't have to be so, sometimes like I just overthink videos and stuff like that, just so I don't have to overthink things and just, you know, have fun doing it and just, you know, be more efficient. I think this year, I don't know what else. The vaccination, I haven't got the vaccination yet. Some people in my family have, but I think I'm gonna wait until like spring, summertime to get it. What else? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a great holiday. Hope you guys are having a great start to the new year. Yeah, I'm really excited for this year. So I had a great year last year despite all the bad things that were going on. I feel like I personally had a very, 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 very great year last year. So grateful for the silver lining in a lot of things last year that, you know, God has shown me, given me, blessed me with, helped me with. So yeah, so grateful for that. What else to talk about? I'm like exhausted. I'm like so tired. When I'm off of my 7 off, it's like I have to catch up on sleep, but then it's like I have so much to do, so just trying to balance it all. So yes, so today I already went through what I'm gonna wear on my face. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and then come back, do my hair, Ooh, I should do my hair first because I have to pin curl it. I'm gonna do my hair first. Where is my curling stuff? Here we go. So let me curl my hair and then pin curl it and then do my makeup, and then I will be Maya. Ooh. Girl. Alright. Hey guys, so I finished my makeup and my hair. Ooh, lighting's kind of weird here. Finished my makeup and my hair. So I have a couple of videos I need to record. As I said, I have like a toddler update, sleep schedule, sleep training kind of thing. And like sleep training thing. So look out for those. I have a couple hours. What time is it now? So it's almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:50. So I don't pick him up until like 5:30. So I have some hours to get some of my filming done. After that, I'll probably do some orders because I have a bunch of orders I haven't done yet. I need to go out today. Orders, clean up, do a bunch of things on the computer. I have so much to do. So I will update you guys later. Hey guys, so what a day. I just finished all that I had to do for my content day today, and it was marvelous. Got a little oily. Y'all see me? It's kind of getting, the sun is setting, so the sun is on the other side of the house, but I just wanted to touch up my, I love my face today. And so I was actually supposed to use the Fenty foundation powder, and I accidentally forgot to use it, of course. So I actually ended up just using my regular MAC NW43 Studio Fix. But what set everything off, off like my face, which was like off is good. Let me see, I'm gonna bend down. The concealer is good. I love the concealer. I loved how it was thick. I love a thick concealer. So I loved how the concealer was thick, and I think it's because it was potted, so it wasn't like liquid. And then, but this, where did it go? You know what? I didn't even set my face. I literally forgot to use everything that I bought. I didn't even set my face. Oh, of course. Anyways, it's fine. I finished. But I should have set my face. But okay, so what set everything off was this NARS tinted moisturizer. Done. It was so good. It was, because sometimes like when you wear foundation, for me it can be really heavy on my face, and I love the look of foundation, but sometimes it's just like, I know most of the time I don't need foundation, because my skin does really good with just powder on its own. But sometimes, you know, I just want to wear foundation just to, like, you know, take it up a notch. But this was good. And I used to use tinted moisturizer back in the day, because Nky is the one that got me on it. But I kind of just like strayed away from it for no reason. But this NARS, so I put it on with a brush, just one layer, and it was so good, like so good. It was a good base for me to then use my Studio Fix, because the Studio Fix is a foundation powder, so it was a good base to use the Studio Fix. Now imagine if I use the Fenty. I'll probably use that tomorrow. Put that on, done. Like, you can't talk to me. Like, you can't talk. Like today, you can't talk to me. But tomorrow when I try this again, because if we go out shopping and stuff like that, I'm gonna definitely do it the way I meant to do it. You definitely can't talk to me. So that is what we're on today. But I loved how my makeup turned out today. It was so good. So good. Yeah, so what time is it? It's 4:53. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit. The one thing about content days is that when I shoot content, it gets messy like everywhere in the house because I shoot everywhere, like my makeup table, my closet, changing clothes, on my bed. I throw clothes on here, downstairs, like in the living room. I just like, there's so much. And then my other guest room, I usually shoot a lot in there. Messy. So I'm gonna do as much as I can so it just looks nice. And then tomorrow, actually tonight, when Kim goes for bed, I'll use that time to hang everything that needs to be hung, put things for laundry, and then get ready for tomorrow, which tomorrow's Saturday and there's no plan, so just to enjoy the day. So yeah, but it was a good day. I shot some videos, which was good. Got back into the swing of things, which is, it's been a long time, so it's been really good, so I'm happy. And then yeah, so we're going to continue this vlog because we're gonna go get Cam at 5:30. So you guys will see. Oh, they said they need, so they sent a note. They said that they need diapers and wipes. So I'll bring that in. I'll bring that in now. What time is it? Probably 5. Let me clean up a little bit and then I will get ready.
Give it up for the African, she my African queen, she my African queen, yeah. Give it up for the African, she my African queen, she my African queen, yeah. Skin so
Is there like a stray cat somewhere? Weird. It's like you hear like a, it doesn't sound like a child, like a kid yelling, but it sounds like a cat. That's, yeah, that's a cat. It feels like a cat that's like making like a cat in distress. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know where the cat is, but that's what it sounds like. Okay, I really wanted to go to, I'm gonna stop at Target. Cam's teacher was telling me that Target's actually having like a sale, like clearance sale on things. So I actually wanted to stop. I meant to do that yesterday. Is my lip, why does my lip look like that? My lip look crazy. Why does my lip look like that? Probably because my lip gloss has faded. Let me fix that. I think that's better. It just looked weird. All right, so it's about to be 5 o'clock, so I think I'll go pick him up early. Usually I pick him up at 5:30, but I'm gonna go now because I really do want to go to Target. I'll go now and get him. And it's Friday, it's the weekend. It's finally Friday. I'm gonna go pick up Cam and then I'm gonna go to Target.
Okay. What are you getting Target?
I don't know, I just heard that they're having a clearance sale.
You heard from where?
From Miss Leslie.
Who's Miss Leslie?
Cam's teacher, yeah, she was saying that there was clearance stuff, so I'm gonna go.
Remember my juice?
I thought you bought it yesterday.
How would I buy it? Have I gone anywhere?
I thought you did.
I went to the gym, that's what I went.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought when you came back yesterday, I thought I saw you have bags. Good morning. Cam, say good morning. Where did you go? Say good morning. Say good morning. So today's Saturday morning. I just realized this morning that I haven't been at home on a weekend off since October. So this is my first weekend at home since October. So it feels so good. And it's crazy how I was looking forward to this weekend so bad. And I realized it's because I haven't had a weekend at home in a long time. So, what did you put on me? What is this? Okay. A crazy hectic month. And I realized that I've been working. I work, how do I explain this? Like I've only had one, since April of last year, I've only had one weekend a month off. 1 weekend a month off, which is crazy. Like I was literally grinding it out last year. 1 weekend off every month since April. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm like hot. I was like making breakfast. The lighting is so bad. I was like off. So I was like making breakfast. I just finished making breakfast. We just finished having breakfast. Cam, your hair feels dry. What's wrong? So yeah, so I'm just about to, Chris wants to go play soccer. He usually plays soccer on Saturdays. So that's where he's at. So I wanted to open the new car seat that I got Cam. It's been a long time coming because he's definitely outgrown his car seat that he's had since he was born. So I've been meaning to have a chance to do research on toddler car seats that will last for many years and convert and, you know, all that stuff. So I did research. There was so many to choose from, but I actually decided on the Nuna Rava car seat. And I got the color Lake. Just like a bluish gray. So I'm excited. This is so excited. Of course. And I ordered this from I'll Be Baby. Inky has ordered from I'll Be Baby before, like strollers. So I've never ordered from them, but I know about the site. So when I looked on the site cause like on all the research articles that I read, they're sold, this like Nuna Rava is sold at like Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, and then kind of some other like specialty like baby boutiques. So it's not like everywhere at like major like online realtors, like, you know, like Amazon or like Walmart or something like that, or like Target. So I'll Be Baby, I looked, they had it, so that's where I ordered it from. So, and it came pretty fast too. So let's see, where is, Yahoo! Hit the road ready. I hope that means that it's already assembled. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the color is gorgeous. Yeah, so we're trying to decide between black and this color, and the black obviously would match my interior of my car and Chris's car because both our cars are black interior. However, I feel like just black would just, I feel like black and then white, because I do have a white, would show obviously stains and like cookie crumbs and all that stuff like that. So I felt like gray and like blue gray would like be in the middle. I'm not showing too much stains, so that's what we went with. Oh my goodness, this car seat is disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, you guys have to see this before I take it out. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. So it obviously it's from newborns until toddlers, but oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So nice. Cam, you see your new chair? New car seat? You see that? He wants to get inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, Kim, hold on. Let me get the buckles out. Sorry. Gonna lift these straps up. There. You like your new chair? Yeah, look at that. You can position your headrest. Look at that. Oh. So cute. Sorry, it's too tight. Sorry, my babies are too tight. You like it? You want to scoot your boochie back there? Your booty back there? You like it? You look so good in it. Yeah, good job. You like it? Like it. Is it comfy? You liked it? That was so easy. Like, everything is already put together. So like there's nothing to like, you know, like do. It's crazy. It's so nice. Wow. Yeah, it's so nice. So I just have to learn how to thread the seatbelt and install it in the car, which when I did my research, it was one of the things that I was looking at was the ease of installation in the car, because Chris and I, we exchange cars often, and we like move, you know, car seats back and forth a lot. So something that's really easy to do, because the one that we have now is so easy to install, so we wanted to keep it that way. So it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I just need to read how to install, and then we'll be on our merry way.
African queen, she my remedy. I tell her come on ride with my melody.